Have you ever felt like your days were going by without any meaningful purpose? Like nothing was happening outside of work and shopping. Sometimes a workout, okay. Maybe you're meeting up with friends, maybe. Yes, here I am again. Sitting in the same spot where I started my day, but now it's 5 p.m. I have no idea what I've actually done. Oh wait, I remember. I've successfully perfected the art of scrolling through random stuff on the internet at work. Brilliant. Who needs clear goals when there's an endless void of stupid videos, conspiracy theories, and endless repeated same shit motivational videos to distract me? I mean, who could blame me for avoiding tasks? It's practically a Seattle requirement at this point. Who needs productivity when you can just exist and blame everything on the system? At the same time, the other side is constantly pushing you to be productive in a toxic way. Please decide. It's like waking up to a blank canvas full of possibility and then ending the day with just a mess of random brushstrokes, no direction, no focus. I tell myself I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never seems to have a plan either. It's like I'm stuck in a loop where my productivity is just sitting in the background waiting for me to make the call it has every right to do so. Honestly, I'm kind of tired of it. Tired of the same old routine. Wake up, promise to do something, get sidetracked by 15 other things, and then collapse into bed feeling like I've accomplished absolutely nothing. I find it a few times every year, but I haven't been able to change it for more than 1-2 days. It's not even the I tried my best kind of nothing. It's the what did I even do today kind of nothing. You know, kind of nothing where you're pretty sure your soul is actively avoiding growth. Procrastination isn't just about putting things off. It's about losing touch with the things that make you feel like you're actually moving forward and things that make you feel you are living. A small goal achieved is more powerful than 1,000 good intentions. Okay, I'm being dramatic. Maybe my soul's just tired like the rest of me. I definitely want to change this. So I write down my tomorrow. Maybe my stupid head will memorize it so that the day doesn't end with nothing. Tomorrow is staring me down and I'm over letting it slip by, just like today I set some clear goals today for tomorrow. Nothing grand, nothing that's going to change the world. Now, first just small, bite-sized tasks like answer that email I've been ignoring or do something with that pile of laundry that's practically its own ecosystem at this point. Simple, actionable goals because apparently winging it isn't the flexible lifestyle choice I thought it was. I'm done wasting time in this never-ending cycle of procrastination. It's time to show up for myself, even if it's just for an hour or two. I have plans, daily ones, yearly ones. Tomorrow I'll have a plan, which shows me a way, not a perfect plan, because let's be honest, I can barely keep my plants alive, but a plan nonetheless. And by the end of the day, I'll actually feel like I've done something other than contribute to the ever-growing backlog of unread emails. Progress. Definitely large scale. No way. But the building has to start somewhere. Time doesn't care how many distractions you throw at it. The clock will keep ticking whether you're ready or not, and in the end, it's not about having a perfect day. It's about showing up for the ones that matter.